Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to replace the fog lights of Lexus RX330 from year 2004 up to 2009. So we'll be replacing this, the left fog light, and also this one, the right fog light. So as you can see, this light is a bulb light. It's not very bright, at night it's terrible. So we want to replace this with an LED fog light, so it will be much brighter at night. So what we do is that we have to remove some screws here. I watched some videos, they have to remove sometimes the whole panel here, and they remove this whole thing. But actually, to remove the fog light, what you need to do is only remove two screws. One here, and one down here. Here, this screw over here. So like I said, it's very easy. You don't have to remove a lot of things. Just two screws, bend this in a little bit, bend it in, and you will see the fog light housing right there. So I'll show you how to remove the left fog light first. So what we do is that in order to replace the left fog light, we have to turn the wheel to the right so that we have enough room to use our hand to replace the fog light. Once you've done that, now you can see you have enough space to work on removing the screws and also the fog lights inside. And for the screw here, it depends on your car. If your car was made in 2004 up to 2006 or 7, usually the screw is like this. But if your car is made in 2009, you may need to use a different tool to remove the screw. So I'll start with this one first. And the next one at the bottom. Now like I said, we just bend this a little bit. It's difficult with one hand. So inside there, this is the fog light. You just have to turn it clockwise. Then it's out. So what you do is remove this from its housing, and we'll be replacing it with this LED. It's gonna be much brighter. So let me remove this first. What you do to get this out is that you need to press this and then take the top part out. Press this, get it out, and replace it with this, the LED one. Now it's snuck into place. You can even test the light first, but I already tested it and it works fine. And you just put it back in and you're good to go. So you push it in, turn it anti-clockwise, and it's snuck into place, like so, and you're good to go. And then you screw it back in. So this is the left fog light. Let's go to the right fog light. Now same thing here. You now have enough space. So we just need to remove this screw here and one screw down here. It's very difficult with one hand operation. It's right here. That's the right fog light. so we have to take that out. So the space for the right fog light is so small. Once I put my hand in there, it's difficult to put the camera in, so I cannot show you there, but you can just remove it. Just like on the left fog light, you just turn it clockwise and you can remove it. Now you can see it's out. Again, replace it with the LED fog light. Once you remove this bulb light, you can replace it with the LED light. Make sure it's stuck into place, and again you can also test it first before you put it back in. So just put it back in just like you did on the left fog light. Now done. Just put this back in. Now you screw it back in. You need to do one more down here. You're done. You can see now it's not yellow anymore. It's white, it's LED. Same thing with the other side. It's LED now. Bright light, white bright light. It's gonna be much brighter at night. I'm going to test it out at night to find out. If you're interested in these LED fog lights, I have included the links to purchase them in the description below. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.